It's really scary.
They're even gone.
It's
My
really
500
scary.
fish, it costs 500.
It's really scary, Amy.
Fish.
That's a lot.
Neon fish?
Yeah, Nemo fish.
Oh, Nemo fish? Yeah, they're cool. I remember when I first started, I hated it when I first started.
Why?
Well, it was actually pretty fun trying to, like, they start you up with that money. Now that you have so much money, in Fishville, I don't even know what to do with my money. I have so much money, and I don't know what to get. I don't want to, like, use it all up on one item, though.
Oh. Well, if you don't play it that much, you can. Get something really cool.
I have so much money that I never use because these fish are, I like Fishville. That's kind of been fun because do you see the new thing where as you, like these fish, the fish that you start out with, like what, that you unlock, how fish you unlock one, if you keep, that gives you this bar where when you buy lots of them, if you buy lots of them and sell lots of them, you start getting up this bar, then you unlock the second fish that comes after it, and then do it the third, then you do it with that, then you get the third fish, then you do it with that, you get the fourth fish, then you can go back down and do 1, 2, 3, 4 for another one, and do 1, 2, 3, 4 for another one, and there's all these different fish that you can just level up.
Okay.
Here comes the rain.
Tyler, your shark is here.
I know. Just my other stuff isn't there. All my like
Mom, it's
10,000 coin
It's
fish.
raining.
They survive for like ever.
Mom, it's raining. Mom.
I can see it.
I don't know the point of sugarfish besides cleaning the tanks.
That's what the point is.
But when you clean it, then you get more money.
Yeah, but that way you don't have to constantly be cleaning the tank. Wow.
But then when the suckerfish does it, you don't get any money from it.
I don't want you guys leaving right now.
Wiggle.
Like all of a sudden this big, huge amount of wind just flips the whole car. That would be scary. I've never been in a car crash.
Yeah, and hopefully you never are in one.
My grandpa was in a horrible one.
It's
He was
cold.
in a bus crash.
Mom.
He threw through the
Oh my
window.
goodness, that's horrible.
He flew all the way up the window.
I'm still, Mom.
And he's still alive.
I'm still.
I remember one time it was so scary. Like my grandpa fell over and I couldn't get him up because I wasn't strong enough. He couldn't get himself up. He's on the ground. He couldn't help. And then this guy, it seemed like, whoa, I definitely don't want to go outside now.
Yeah, I don't think you guys should leave right yet.
No, I definitely don't want to go outside. I feel like once I'm going to go outside, I'm going to be like blown away. When I bend sticks, that's like how far I bend them. But a little bit farther. Wait, I should hold out 2 umbrellas in my arms and connect 2 umbrellas to my feet and just let the wind take me. Whee! The umbrellas would probably be folded the other way. Dad, do you see this storm? We have to leave in this horrible storm.
No, you're not going to leave yet. You have to just wait a few minutes.
Are you taking a video of this?
And we got all of your words that you said in the last half an hour.
I'm scared.
And do you hear the fish roll thing and that? On that, does it get the fish roll?
I have no idea yet. I'll have to when I listen to it.
Mom, I'm scared.
Don't worry. It'll be
It's okay, Amy.
It seems like the tree's gonna fly out. You
Yes.
see that tree, Lauren? That tree seems okay. Well, the big ones seem like they're
The wind is really
fly out of the
angry.
ground. Well, a branch fell. Lauren, you see the branch in the back? That's a pretty big branch. In
Wow.
the back of the second tree to the right, behind it, there's a big branch that fell. It's like the size of the
Yeah, I
big
see it,
trees.
Tyler.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, baby's fall. Baby's tree. Fall.
No, that's just a branchy. Baby trees are okay. They're over there. They're not getting blown that much because they're really healthy still. You stole my ever. How long was
That time couple months ago when we had a really bad storm and you guys were in bed, that was the scariest thing I ever saw. Even though it was night. If it wasn't a tornado, I don't know what it was. That's why I'm videotaping this. Holy mackerel. That wind is insanity.
This wind is going to cause even more trees. This wind is going to cause lots of trees falling too.
Can't even.
I can hear the rustle from inside.
Mom, what's that?
Oh my gosh.
What's that, Mom?
Huh?
Can I have
I'm afraid there's a.
for my mom to show my mom?
What's that?
Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm